Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can input microSD memory card on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. In order to do this, we will need to use the pin that is included in the box in order to open the SIM card tray. So at the bottom of the device we will find the SIM tray over here on the left side, and left to the SIM tray we have a hole, and we need to put the pin inside that hole. Once you are in, push until the SIM tray comes out slightly. Once it does, use your fingers in order to take it out, and there we go. Now of course at the front we have the SIM1 symbol or text, and at the reverse we can either use SIM2 or the microSD card, and this is how we should use it. This is the correct side. Until you hear a slight click, try to put the microSD card inside, and once you hear that click, you can be certain that it is inserted correctly. It is pretty stiff, you shouldn't lose the microSD card by accident. And of course SIM1 is in the front of the SIM tray, so this is how you need to insert it back. So put it back in. Let me actually use the phone. There we go. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.